Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jyoti from Angie and George channel, and today we are going to talk about skincare products that I have introduced in my skincare regime and which has helped me get a flawless skin. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First thing that I added in my skincare regime in last few months is number one, hyaluronic acid. It's a serum that you apply on your face once you wash your face and your face is not completely dry. So this particular thing, what does it do is that it hydrates your skin. When your face is still little wet and you apply this serum on your face, it holds the moisture in the skin using the water. It locks the water and gives you that supple skin after that, and you feel your skin is getting soft if you keep on using it over a period of time. The second product which I feel is an elixir for the skin is niacinamide. So niacinamide is again a kind of a serum which comes with a dropper. So you have to apply it on your face. Again, a clean face is needed, and then take a couple of drops and then apply it gently on your face. So this also clear your skin, make it soft and supple, and also gives you it helps in removing the pimple marks and everything. But initially when I started using this particular product, niacinamide, I got those white pearly pimples on my face for I think for a week or two, and after that when I kept on using it, everything was fine after that. So if you have a sensitive skin, do before using it, I would suggest that you do a patch test and see how does it work for you. But eventually I feel that when you keep on using the product, you will initially get those pearly pimples, and then eventually your skin gets clear after that. That was the second product that I added in my skincare routine, and I got amazing result after that. The third product that I added in my skincare routine, which gave me really good results, is retinol. So again, we all know that retinol is something which we use on our skin to reduce the signs of aging. So I felt a little bit of lines near my under eye, so I thought of started, like, I was using but not frequently, and it was not an active retinol that I was using. I was always using it in kind of a cream which says that it has retinol in that. So I thought of trying this active retinol. So I use retinol for my under eye and then for my entire face. So if you are in your late 20s or in your 30s, I think you should definitely start using retinol, because it really helps in reducing those fine lines, and earlier the better. So I would say that in your late 20s, if you start using retinol, you will see that your signs of aging reduces or comes little later. So for me, when I started using, I felt visible difference in my skin, and I am a firm believer that yes, makeup is good and it can hide all your flaws, but a good skin is very important for even the makeup to work, do its wonders. So I am a strong believer that it is very crucial that we should all take care of our skin, especially using products that are gentle on our skin and that gives good result to our skin. So yes, these are the 3 products so far that I am using, and it has given me very good results. The 4th product that I have started using it, which helped my skin a lot, is an exfoliate. So exfoliate, removes the dead skin and from your face, and clean the pores and everything. So I have recently started using this AHA BHA formula, which is available over the counter. You don't need a prescription for that, because it's not high concentrated AHA BHA that I am using. I will show you here what product I am using. So after that, I feel that my skin is getting clear, the marks and everything are reducing, and even I feel my pores are cleaner. So initially, when you use it for the first time, do the patch test whether it is suitable for your skin or not. Make it. That was the product number 4. Another product which is very common, I have been using it, but being kind of a lazy person in terms of skincare, I was sometimes used to neglect it. That 5th product is nothing but our sunscreen. So even though we are all staying at home because of pandemic, I made sure that I apply my sunscreen religiously. So after that, I felt that when I started applying sunscreen religiously every single day, I can say visible changes in my face again. Sunscreen is something mostly me as a person, I used to apply it only when I used to step out of the house, but over a period of time, I have made sure that I use it every single day, no matter the fact that I'm not going out of the house or not. If I'm going out of the house, I make sure that I reapply it. But by using sunscreen every single day, you will see that your skin doesn't get damaged because of sunlight. And the other thing that I have also made sure that I'm doing is that doing my AM PM routine religiously without fail. And I also prefer moisturizers which are good for oily skin, and which doesn't make my skin dry, but doesn't make it oily after a period of time. And I do not like products which are which has too much of fragrance in it. So I advocate products which are fragrance free. And that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more notifications. That's it from our side. Bye bye.